So you need to do a SRS module swap or airbag module swap on a Nissan Qashqai. It's actually pretty simple to do. You will get a fault code for it that won't clear. You might spend ages trying to have garages fix the fault for you. But if the SRS module itself needs replacing, there's a couple of companies that do refreshes on them or repairs on them. They do tend to fail if you've had a jump start or if someone's been using a power probe on your wiring. But very easy to actually sort on the Nissan Qashqai. This is for the, I think they call it a J10 or phase 1 Nissan Qashqai. First off, you just remove the box there, your cup holder. Secondly, remove this panel, it'll pop up from underneath. Then pop this one up, pop it up from either end, but if you get underneath you can push it up or pull it out from here, and then in there you'll see at the bottom the SRS module. The wiring is on this side. It can be a bit difficult to get out, but you can just poke the plugs out with a screwdriver just to unclip them. Then there's 3 13mm screws or bolts. One's there, and one is down the front. And then there's also a 10mm screw or bolt that goes in there. But with an extension bar and a wobbly head, you can actually undo it all, unclip it at the front, and then you can just pull the whole lot out through the where the cup holders were. Then your repaired module, just push it back in, 2 screws at the back, 2 bolts at the back, at the 13mm, 1 at the front, bolt there, and obviously put your wiring back in, and usually that clears all your faults that you had with the SRS module. So this car's now showing no issues anywhere else. It was the SRS module at fault. That's been replaced and the light has gone out. Hope that helps.